again, man.
You know I gotta put you out there. Good morning, YouTube. We starting to vlog off early but late. We're doing something different with Nick's hair today. Normally we do the highball fade, or we do the why can't I think of that shit? The south side, and then you got the shag in the back. But today we're gonna do like a South of France style cut. So let's see what we can get into.
Remember when you said we'd stay together now until forever? Just us. Said we wouldn't be like all the others, fight and hurt each other. Not us. But we let each other down, yeah. Yeah, we let each other down, yeah. But we let each other down, yeah. Yeah, we let each other down, yeah.
What's up, buddy?
What's up?
How are you?
Hey, guess what?
What you got for me?
Sorry, babe. Yeah. And my hot shop I go to,
Yeah.
they got them for $8 each.
Damn.
I bought 4 of them.
What'd you bring me?
I'm gonna give you one special for free.
Ooh, shit, okay.
I can get some more.
All right, let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see what we got.
I told you.
Okay.
Here, I get the money for you.
The Walking Dead, Richard. Okay.
So he said he's gone for a week.
What we got here?
And we're partying in this mud now.
Super
I'm giving
Gwen
you
Unmasked.
this one. Hey, I'm giving you this one for free. That
Oh,
one
my
for free.
man.
So he's taking a vacation anyways, huh?
Okay, big bet.
He's all plugged up. I mean, you can tell.
Got
we got
more
here?
of these too.
Tell his nose is plugged.
A lot more of these
Okay,
too.
let me see.
That's it.
Says I got the
Cigarettes in that
sneezes.
cold ass weather.
What is this? Lost?
Says I'm gonna go down and get the test.
Buffy the Vampire Slayer.
I hope that doesn't come back.
Where did you come from?
Okay.
Yeah, he might not make
So we
it.
got. I gotta get this one just because the number's 420.
So guess what?
Okay, let's see.
Well, Gary today.
He's off today. He's sick.
Oh man, I hope you feel better.
All right. So what do you want for each of them?
It's up to you, man.
My phone now. Let me do some calculating.
Yeah, they got more too. Sorry. I need to get your number next time. When I go there next time, I can ask them what.
How's
they got.
30 for all 4?
Yeah.
Deal.
Gary don't feel good today.
Now I guess he's gonna be out the whole week now.
Whoa.
That's what he's talking about.
He's old too.
Thanks, buddy.
Cool. Thanks, man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, man. Next time I go there, man, they said they have a bunch more.
Why don't you, before you buy them all, why don't you take some pictures for me?
Okay, I will.
And that way we don't waste any money. Because
Okay.
some of these I don't really collect.
I
But
know.
we'll throw them in the stash. See what we got.
How you been doing, man?
Not bad. Just been working. Just the new collections. And we got the Stranger Things, I guess. Cool. Appreciate it, bro.
You been sick lately?
This shouldn't be us. Why can't it be us from the way we call them? We weren't supposed to break up. It's too late to make up. Don't know what my heart will mend. This should not be us, not be us, not be us. This should not be us, not be us, not be that we were better than all of the others. Just us. Said we wouldn't let things come between us. Let love rule, not be us, not us, not us. Oh.
All right. Cut reveal time. He's going back home. You need that extra crispy. Shoo. All right, time has come to get a haircut, and then me and Freddie are gonna go get lunch. So let's do the fresh cut, G. Ooh, feeling myself. Finna go get something to eat. Let's go. Oh, I ate too much food.
Did you eat it all?
I ate it all. Me and Freddie went to this place called. I can't even breathe. I'm so full. It's called Everybody Eats 503. I'm gonna put a clip in right here from my phone, from my Instagram story, of what it looked like. So Freddie got the shrimp po' boy. I got this Cajun chicken pasta. So now you see why I'm breathing like that, because I can't breathe. I'm full. So I'm finna go. That's what I'm gonna do the rest of the day. Right here.
That should have her for you.
Low power. Fucking Apple Watch is dying. I forgot to charge it last night.
All done. Something not okay.
I had like 30% this morning. I was like, oh, this ain't gonna go good today.
Well, do you have to get a haircut? So I'll call you in a little bit. I see you still there.
Cool. Sweet.
Damn, that mean you'll like, have you ever heard of PDX sliders?
I have heard of them. I haven't tried them yet,
Bro,
though.
you need to try they fucking 2-month fries.
Shit.
You'll fuck that shit up. It's chicken, it's coleslaw on
Oh,
top
some
of
fries?
bro. It's
Oh,
so fucking good, man.
Hear this, Freddie?
Yeah, it's
We're
so
on the spot.
good. PDX sliders.
PDX sliders.
Oh, I heard about them.
Yes.
I heard about them too, but I haven't tried them.
Bro, it's so fucking good.
Sure, we're talking about fucking fries and chicken on and shit.
It's this Tillamook right here. It's coleslaw, chicken, and fries. That shit is so good. It's called Tillamook fries, and they come in like one of these big ass things, so it's like a lot of food. It's not like it's only $14.
Seafood, we gotta not work that day.
Like literally, like they got good ass food. Like their food is busted.
Where's it at?
It's
I don't even care.
it's not far. It's like literally like 15 minutes from here.
Okay.
It's not far.
I'll take you there.
See, that means we ain't working that day.
I don't give a fuck what say. I say I don't give a fuck if it was in Beijing.
Man, that food is so good. I promise.
I only live a block away.
I don't give a fuck if you live in Beijing, baby. I'll take you there.
Hey. Don't talk about me like that. I'm right here. That's why I'm doing it. At least you'll do it to my face.
I haven't ate a box of cereal in a while.
See, because you're not living your life right.
Because I fucking...
See, that's what it was, bro. In my soul,
Diabetes
I ate one for
box.
me and for you.
There you go. All right,
That's what it was. It was in my soul. I was like, look, Freddie ain't tapped in one of these in a minute. I'm going to do it for him.
Last time I bought a box of cereal, bro, I was like...
All right, sir. The usual.
Yeah, so I want to keep this shit on.
I'm kind of like a fade because I'm trying to get those two lines right here. So kind of like shorter and stuff.
A little higher up so we can do the lines.
A little bit, but I still want like the lines right here.
Okay.
And
There's too much straight back.
huh?
There's too much straight back with the hair.
Just like basically how I just like it how it is because I don't really do anything to it. I just want it short, like
Okay.
like 2 inches, like I don't know, like shorter than we usually do it.
Okay.
I'm not trying to do that much to my hair, like or going to work and stuff like that.
Feel that. Trying to wake up and glow, huh?
Right, basically.
Oh, you were staying busy? Oh, yeah, that's fine. Fucking hell.
Get him, Bella. Get him. Get him, Bella. You're tough. You got it. You got it, partner. You got it. Come on, let her go. Let her go. Get her, Bella. Tell her. Tell her whose barbershop this is. It's Bella's barbershop. Homie, don't play that shit. It's Bella's shop. We don't play that shit.
This is all wrong.
Look at her walk.
Yeah, I did that.
Yeah, she did. Look at that.
You tell him, Bella. You tell him.
She came right on that door, too. They wasn't that dog.
Bella, you was gonna get the dog? You was gonna get her? You was gonna get her, Bella? Come on, Dennis. Don't walk in front of my camera like that. I got it all zoomed in. Got your junk all in the frame.
Look at Bell. Bell.
Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. World Star. Damn, Bella. You cold piece, yo. Cold savage, Bella. Alright, YouTube, it is the end of the night. A little bit better of a vlog today, I feel like, than yesterday. For those of you who did not see my review of the Dick Blends Academy, make sure you guys go check that out. I'll put the keynote thing or whatever, you can click on it up here. Check that out. If there is a online course or an academy or something like that you want me to check out and review, drop it in the comment section below. My next one on the list to do is the Tomb 45. That's going to be a 2-part one, and I'll explain why. Let me get this. Over here sweeping up my station. It's the end of the night. I'm done for the night, so sweeping up all this hair off of the flow. The downside to my station is that part of it is on the carpet. Like, so I get some of this nonsense. So I get like hair on the carpet. So I gotta take the hard bristle broom and I gotta like scrape it off of there onto the hardwood over to the IVAC. So this was my last client's mop right there that I chopped off. But anyways, it's the end of the night, so I'm gonna log off here, head home. I gotta go to Petco, get some dog food and cat litter for the house, and then I'm going home. So I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.